Whew. Hello, I am back for another unboxing. It's been a while, so I don't even remember the last time I did this. It's been a number of months. Anyways, it's I've been in the market for some comfortable sneakers, and I went with the Adidas Ultraboost 4s, I believe. It's kind of funny. So I had this box like waiting in the lobby of my apartment, and I picked up the box. I was like, oh, I think these are the sneakers I ordered, but it's like so light to the point where I was questioning if they actually were the sneakers, because the box was like insanely light. In any case, there we go. One thing that's already kind of annoying is I bought these off Amazon for $137, and I was like, oh sweet, this is like a pretty good deal. I'm on the site now, and what I ordered is now $120.60. So I'm gonna see if I can get a refund on the difference. We'll see if that works out, but I don't know. Or I guess I could technically return this and then buy it again for $120. Either way, it's a lot cheaper. I think on the Adidas site it was like $170. A lot also depends on what color you choose. So it was tough. I like the black ones. I like the white ones. For some reason, I went with gray. We'll find out. Let's pop these open. And yeah, so yeah, I bought these. I'm not going to run in these actually. I'm not a big on running, to be frank. Let me see if I put these on right here. Oh my god. Oh yeah. So they supposedly run like a little small, but I don't know. Definitely not the toe, at least not for me. I usually wear like 9. I can wear a 9. Sometimes I wear a 9.5. These I got a 9.5, and just putting on them right now. They're not big on the toe, actually. I have wide feet, though. And so, with that said, sorry. They're not super wide, that's for sure. There's some room in the toe. Hold on. Doop. Feel pretty comfortable, definitely light. I have to try these out for at least, I don't know, the week. I can maybe do a follow-up video. Oh wow, I didn't realize that the thing moved, but anyways, yeah, so far so good. They feel pretty comfortable. The real test is actually probably wearing them out and seeing how I feel. Again, I just bought these to kind of lounge around in, wear them to work, wear them just grabbing a drink or something. So kind of the opposite of buying these to, what do we call it, go run or get any type of exercise in, but we'll see. That's it for now. Stay tuned for a future video. I don't know, I might go back to doing these somewhat regularly. The reason I actually did this video is I told myself I wouldn't let myself wear these or unbox or take these out until I did a video, so there you go. All right.